What is up, everybody? Welcome back. We got a dope human made video today. That's not an unboxing or nothing like that. We just gonna be going over the capsule collection for the holidays that human made is dropping tonight, which is Friday, but I'm dropping this on Sunday. I'm sorry, I'm busy. I'm sorry, don't kill me. I'm gonna just show y'all what they're dropping. They just showed like one little picture on IG, but they didn't show everything. There's more to this drop. So with that being said, we're gonna jump right into it and I'm gonna show y'all what they're dropping. There is some dope stuff in here compared to last year. Last year they only dropped one thing, which was a polar bear t-shirt with the scarf, and that was it. And I bought that, and I sold the t-shirt, but I kept this. I got some money in here. Yeah, I just put my money in here because I don't carry cash, so I just put my money in here. But with all that out the way, let's jump right into this collection. I think it's really dope. There's some things I want to get, some things I won't be able to get. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe down below. Let's get into it. All right, so we are on the Human Made blog, and the headline of this blog, the title of this blog is Human Made Holiday Capsule Collection. And this, as you see, some of the items that they're gonna be dropping, but there's way more to this. So let's read the description of this drop. Let's get it. It says the Human Made Holiday Capsule Collection will be available starting December 11th, Saturday. That's Japan. For us, it's tonight on Friday. Again, remember Japan is a day ahead of us, so it's December 10th. Even though it's a Sunday, I'm just letting y'all know for future reference. So it says this collection for the upcoming holiday season includes a total of 9 items, including items from the Cozy series, knitted with soft and fluffy yarn that is recommended as loungewear, as well as other apparel and accessories with Christmas graphics. Some of these items come in special drawstring bags and boot-shaped gift wrappings designed exclusively for the holiday season, which are perfect as gifts. All right, so we can get right into the first item. This first item, I'm telling y'all, is straight heat. Fire. Look at this. Look at that sweater. Do you see this sweater? I think it's like one of the best sweaters that they dropped for this year. And I'm gonna do like a year roundup of my favorite items that Human Made dropped. So y'all can expect that probably next video I may do that. Like one of my like top 5 items of the year or whatever. But this sweater right here is just really dope. You got the Human Made heart with the H in the middle with the 3 stripes above. Green bands on the cuff, and on the waistband we got the green bands as well. And on the back we got this fire duck with the wheatgrass. Is that wheatgrass? If not, let me know down in the comment section below if there's wheatgrass or not below this duck. And I like how they knitted this duck on here. But I think it's like really dope, but it's like modern at the same time, but not too old looking. So I can appreciate that graphic on the back. And it ain't cheap. It ain't cheap. Next, we got a set. We got 2 sets. We got the Human Made hoodie zip up, and we have Human Made sweats like to match as well. Of course, we got the blue and the gray. I would prefer the gray over the blue for some reason. I just like how gray and black complement each other, so I would go with the gray and black if I had a choice. But I will be passing on this on these 2 items, but I really do like the way they look. Like this, like the perfect like lounge around the house, not doing nothing but just chilling, watching Netflix, playing a game on YouTube, just just vibing, ain't doing nothing. They're like the perfect wear for that. The next item we have an Xmas sweatshirt. I'm gonna pass on this one. Like this is something I really wouldn't wear. I can appreciate it, but it's just something I would pass on. So we got the Human Made text above the 2 ducks with the scarves on that gives futuristic teenagers a bonnet and the cursive script. And we had the same duck graphic below, but the text is a little bit different than the sweatshirt. Last year t-shirt was similar to this one, but it was the polar bears with the scarves on. Sold those 2 t-shirts, I believe, to one of my subscribers. They wanted to buy it, or I believe I traded them. They either bought or I traded them for something. I can't remember. I may cop and resell. I don't know yet. But next we have these cozy socks. These remind me of the socks that I just picked up recently, but this is a different material. Pretty pricey, 10,780 yen, so that's like over $100. We will see on this one. We will see on this item. But I do like it. Just like, again, it will go perfect with this right here, just chilling around the house. Go put it all together and put some flip-flops and some slides on, good to go. All right, next we got this Plush Duck. This gonna be like a must cop for me. It says come in a small, it comes in a special gift bag, large size, so this must be like a large size duck. So I will be copping this, and it's 8,580 yen. Also, we have some crochet duck, and I'm thinking these are ornaments, because I see like these little loops, right? The loop on the back of this. Let me zoom in for y'all. If it let me zoom. Yeah, there we go. So I'm guessing like these right here are like ornaments, so I can just hang these on a tree. But either way, I'm going to be copping these. Below this, we have the human made mugs. I may cop this as well to go along with the other mugs that I have, and just keeping it going, Next, we have the human made gift bag. So we got the large and the small size, so you can expect to get, so these are the bags you can expect to get your stuff in when you do. And I would suggest keeping these, because I just like the way these looks, and the graphics on them are really clean. And I really do like the way this look on this, like this cream. So these are just something I would keep around the house, or just keep in the closet and just put stuff in to store away. But that is it for this collection. This is way better than they had dropped a few years ago. Well, last year, because last year they just dropped a polar bear t-shirt with the scarf, and now like that was it. I felt like they didn't really have much to offer that last year, so they just dropped that one t-shirt, and I feel like they put way more time into this collection more than last year's collection. So this is cool. This is dope. I like this a lot. This is what y'all can expect tonight, even though it's already Sunday. So I hope everybody got the things that they want. So it's probably like 3 items that I get from this whole collection. So that's 3 out of 9. So that's not bad. So that's it for this video. Please like, comment, subscribe down below. I would greatly appreciate all the support that I can get. Also, if you haven't, please cop my hoodies from my brand Temple. These are going for $60. This is a perfect time to cop a hoodie while you can, since it's getting cold. Depending on the area that you're in, it's $60. I would greatly appreciate all the support that I can get. I'm trying to build my brand up to something that could be very special. Trust me, it can be something very special in the future. So if y'all can help support, I got some more stuff coming from Temple in February that I'm working on that y'all will be seeing very soon, because I'm going to be doing some designs for it and posting it up on my YouTube channel. So y'all can expect that to see more from my brand Temple, because I will be sprinkling in between my human made videos, because I've been doing a lot of human made stuff. I want to break it up and give y'all something different other than human made, because human made can get a little bit exhausting talking about all the time, so I gotta add something else into it. So thank y'all for watching again. Like, comment, subscribe down below. I'm out. Peace.